So, you finally bought a Tesla. You were driving one of the most advanced electric cars in the world. But here is the truth. Even smart Tesla owners make some dumb mistakes. From leaving their car unplugged too often to trusting Autopilot like it's a sci-fi robot, these small errors can cost you time, battery life, and sometimes your safety. Welcome to Mototech Homes. Today, we're breaking down 15 mistakes new Tesla owners make and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Ignoring battery management. Most new Tesla owners think, it's an electric car, I can charge it however I want. Wrong. Your battery is the most expensive part of your Tesla. Constantly charging it to 100% or letting it drop below 10% can shorten its lifespan. Tesla actually recommends keeping your battery between 20% and 80% for daily use. Overcharging generates heat, and deep discharging strains the lithium-ion cells. It's like keeping your phone plugged in all night, fine once in a while, but bad as a habit. So if you want your Tesla battery to last for years, don't treat it like a smartphone. Treat it like an investment. Mistake number 2. Trusting Autopilot. Too much. This one's huge. Autopilot and full self-driving sound futuristic, but they're not fully autonomous. Many owners make the mistake of thinking their Tesla can handle everything. It can't. Autopilot is designed for assistance, not replacement. There have been accidents because people got too comfortable, reading, eating, or even sleeping behind the wheel. Always keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Tesla's cameras might be smart, but you're still the driver. Mistake number 3. Ignoring software updates. Tesla's biggest advantage is that it's a smart car, constantly learning through over-the-air updates. Yet, many owners delay installing updates because they don't want to wait 30 minutes. That's a bad move. Updates improve performance, add safety features, and sometimes even boost your range. So plug in your Tesla at night and let it update. It's like giving your car a mini upgrade while you sleep. Mistake number 4. Relying too much on regenerative braking. Tesla's regenerative braking is awesome. It recycles energy every time you slow down. But new drivers often overestimate it. They lift off the accelerator too early or assume it'll stop the car completely. Remember, regen braking slows your Tesla but doesn't replace your brakes. Use both systems smartly, especially in emergencies or steep downhill roads. Mistake number 5. Not checking tire pressure. Electric cars are heavy, and Teslas are no exception. That extra weight means tires wear faster if they're not properly inflated. Underinflated tires, lower range, poor handling, and uneven wear. So check your tire pressure every few weeks. Tesla even shows it on the touchscreen. No excuses. Proper tire care means better range and safer driving. Mistake number 6. Forgetting to precondition the battery. If you live in a cold climate, this one's critical. Many Tesla owners forget to precondition their battery before charging or driving. In freezing temperatures, your car uses energy to heat the battery to an optimal level, and skipping this can reduce range and slow charging. The solution? Use the Tesla app to precondition your car 15-20 minutes before leaving. It'll warm up both your cabin and your battery, saving power once you hit the road. Mistake number 7. Not using scheduled charging whenever you feel like it might seem fine, but electricity rates vary. Tesla's scheduled charging feature lets you automatically charge at off-peak hours when electricity is cheaper. New owners often ignore this and end up paying more every single night. Set your charging schedule once and let Tesla handle the rest. You'll save money without lifting a finger. Neglecting Sentry Mode. Settings. Sentry Mode is like your Tesla's personal security camera, but it drains battery fast if left on 24/7. New owners often forget to disable it when parked in a secure area and wake up to find their battery down by 10% or more. The fix. Customize Sentry Mode. Turn it off at home or trusted places. Use it smartly, not constantly. Mistake number 9. Misunderstanding range. Estimates. Many new Tesla owners panic when their car shows less range than advertised. But remember, Tesla's range estimate assumes ideal conditions. Flat roads, moderate speed, no AC, and mild weather. Cold, wind, high speed, or heavy acceleration all reduce range. So don't chase the number on the screen. Understand what affects it. Your driving style matters more than you think. Mistake the moderate 10. Forgetting manual door releases. Tesla's door handles are cool, but in emergencies, they can be confusing. If the power fails, you can't open the doors electronically unless you know where the manual release is. Many new owners have no idea where that button is located. Before your first drive, learn your car's emergency features. It's rare you'll need them. But when you do, you'll be glad you knew. Mistake number 11. Leaving your car unplugged. Too long. Unlike gas cars, Teslas slowly lose battery when parked, even if unused. It's called vampire drain, and it happens because your Tesla stays awake, running background systems. Leaving it unplugged for weeks can drain the battery dangerously low. If you're away from home, plug it in or enable energy-saving mode. It'll protect your battery and avoid a dead car when you return. Mistake number 12. Forgetting cabin overheat protection. Teslas heat up fast under the sun. Without cabin overheat protection, interior temps can reach dangerous levels, especially if you've got kids or pets. Many new owners skip this feature to save a bit of battery, but safety comes first. Turn it on through the Tesla app. It'll keep your cabin under 105 degrees Celsius using minimal power. Mistake number 13. Using cheap charging cables. Not all cables are created equal. Some new owners buy cheap third-party charging accessories that can overheat or damage the port. Tesla-certified cables may cost more, but they're tested for safety and efficiency. Don't risk your $50,000 EV to save $50 on Amazon. Mistake number 14. Forgetting software customization. Tesla offers deep customization. From steering response to regenerative braking strength, autopilot preferences, and even acceleration modes. Many owners never explore these settings and miss out on the best driving experience. Spend an hour tweaking the settings that fit your style. It'll make your Tesla feel like it's built just for you. Mistake number 15. Expecting perfection. And finally, expecting perfection. Tesla is revolutionary, but not flawless. There will be software bugs, phantom braking, random glitches. That's part of being an early adopter of cutting-edge tech. Don't get frustrated. Report issues through the app, keep your software updated, and enjoy the ride. You're literally driving the future. And that comes with growing pains. Owning a Tesla isn't just about having an electric car. It's about being part of a movement redefining what driving means. Avoid these 15 mistakes, and your Tesla experience will be smoother, safer, and a lot more fun. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Mototech Homes, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next Tesla and EV breakdown. Until next time, drive smart, charge safe, and enjoy the future of mobility.